This time I'm giving you the HK416 from JG accuracy test using the standard iron sight, 0.2 gram BB airsoft elite, stock battery, 8.4 1100 mAh battery, in a prone position, shooting a target over 25 feet away using the M16A2 target. And let's get it started. I'm going to fire 10 shot and see the grouping. Fire 10 shot, open fire. Alright, as you can see from 25 feet away, the groupings are, I was aiming at the center, but the grouping was right here. You can adjust the sight to your steering. I haven't zeroed the sight yet, so 25 feet I could say is pretty dead on accurate. And that's out of my view, and thanks for watching.